Hi, I'm Miss Kim.
And I'm Miss Carrie.
This week we're learning all about the ocean.
So dive into some fun ocean activities with us.
This is a hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark has a head that looks like a hammer. Each end has an eye and a nostril. This shape helps the shark see and smell and move well through the water. This is a stingray. Stingrays are related to sharks. Like sharks, they have no bones. They are flat fish with wide fins. They flap their fins to move through the water. The stingray has a sharp barb at the end of its tail. It has poison in this barb. When the stingray strikes with its tail, it stings. This is called a Miniata grouper. Groupers are powerful predators with large mouths. The Miniata grouper's bright color and spots help it hide among the coral. Groupers suck in prey with one big mouth gulp.
I have scales. I swim in the sea. Who am I? I'm a fish.
Okay friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a fun ocean snack. So what you'll need for that would be a graham cracker cookie, some frosting that I put a little blue food coloring in to make it look like water, some goldfish crackers, and then some sprinkles. I have these little white ones I'm going to use as bubbles, and this I'm going to try to use like sand. And there is our cute little ocean snack.
I have fur. I swim in the sea. Who am I? I'm a sea otter. So I have a fun art activity you can do at home too. I have some seashells. If you go to the beach and you walk along the beach, a lot of times you can find a lot of different seashells. So we're going to dip our seashells in paint and see what kind of prints they make on paper. So see what shells you can find at home and see what type of prints they make on paper. Have fun! I have a shell. I swim in the sea. Who am I? I am a sea turtle.
Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, slippery fish. Oh, oh, oh! Oh no, it's been eaten by a octopus, octopus, squiggling in the water. Octopus, octopus. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, splashing in the water. Tuna fish, great white shark lurking in the water. Great white shark, great white shark. Go, go, go. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, humongous whale.
We hope you enjoyed all these fun activities we showed you this week.
And the fun facts. And don't forget,
Let your light shine!